Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. This is definitely a top-notch vehicle here at Skyway Classics. As you do know, 1967 was the first year of the Firebird, almost resembling a Camaro-like body style, but yet again, Firebird was definitely special in its own way. Coming to the one we have here featuring a mint green exterior with a black power top. Definitely has some top-notch American racing wheels on it. Other than that, you also have the louvers on the quarter panels on both sides. Other than that, moving on to the interior, you have the nice black updated bucket seats. You have the stock door panels, stock steering wheel. But other than that, you can see they have updated the cluster to a more performance type style gauge. Still have the old style roll-up windows. Have a Kenwood audio system. And of course, when you look at that vent, you know exactly what I'm going to say. Featuring vintage air to keep you nice and cool throughout the summertime. Leading underneath the engine, beefed up beyond belief, featuring EFI fuel injection, which is what that tiny little gauge is at the bottom. In fact, while we open it up a little bit here so you can feel the power. Has MSD, very nice Holley intake, very good setup, definitely one that blows your mind away. Also forgot to mention that this Firebird does have the very cool tack on the dash. And other than that, this thing rides like a kitten, purrs like a kitten. I mean, even now, I'm going 50 miles an hour. It's nice to do a car this old, but this nice at the same time, because you're definitely getting what you're paying for. Other than that, now, we're going to just get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.